Today in Washington, President Trump shining a spotlight on the opioid addiction crisis, declaring a national public health emergency.
Now, this announcement comes on the heels of a major arrest here in the Valley involving a billionaire charged in an opioid bribery case. Team 12's Joe Dana is here now with the details.
The billionaire founder of Insys Therapeutics, based here in Arizona, was arrested on charges of racketeering and fraud. Now, the charges against John Kapoor mark a major escalation in the ongoing investigation of an Insys product that contains fentanyl. This is a highly addictive synthetic opioid. Now, he's accused of devising a scheme to pay bribes to medical practitioners in order for them to prescribe the drug and increase the dosage and volume for patients. This is the first major criminal action around the opioid crisis in the U.S. There has been tremendous pressure on President Trump to speak out about this, something he promised to do since the campaign trail. This is the harsh reality of opioid addiction.
It was all I did. I woke up in the morning looking for anything.
It took my happiness. It took away, what life is really about.
142 people losing their lives every day to an overdose. A 9/11-sized death toll every 3 weeks. That's why so many were anxiously awaiting today's announcement from President Trump.
We can be the generation that ends the opioid epidemic. We can do it.
The president declaring a national public health emergency, the first since the H1N1 flu of 2009, but stopping short of labeling it a national emergency. Joined by those personally affected by the crisis and the First Lady, who has made this a personal cause. President Trump spoke candidly about his own brother's alcohol addiction.
He really helped me. I had somebody that guided me, and he had a very, very, very tough life because of alcohol.
Today's declaration reallocates existing funds, no new money, and provides better access to medical care and addiction treatment. Dr. George Kolodner has seen opioid cases soar over the past 30 years.
Is this enough to address this problem?
The simple answer is no. And reallocation means you take money away from things that are even bigger problems.
But for many victims and their families, this is the biggest problem.